Are you looking for a way to make healthy and tasty meals in just 5 minutes? Look no further. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious Mediterranean meals in just 5 minutes. Hi everyone. I'm here to show you how to make delicious Mediterranean meals in just 5 minutes. Mediterranean cuisine is known for its fresh ingredients, vibrant flavors, and health benefits. It's a great way to get your daily dose of vegetables, healthy fats, and lean proteins. Let's start with a simple Mediterranean salad. Start by chopping up some cucumbers, tomatoes, and red onions. Add some feta cheese, olives, and a drizzle of olive oil. For a protein boost, add some grilled chicken or salmon. Next, let's make a Mediterranean wrap. Start by spreading hummus on a whole wheat wrap. Add some grilled vegetables, feta cheese, and a sprinkle of oregano. Roll it up and enjoy. Finally, let's make a Mediterranean-style quinoa bowl. Start by cooking some quinoa in a pot. Add some grilled vegetables, feta cheese, and a drizzle of olive oil. Top it off with some grilled chicken or salmon and you have a delicious and healthy meal. As you can see, it's easy to make delicious Mediterranean meals in just 5 minutes. So next time you're in a rush, try one of these recipes and enjoy a healthy and tasty meal. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.